Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and yes, the title of the video is correct. I have just sold the Goldwing. The new owner will be here in a matter of hours to pick up his new ride, so I figured, let's take her out for one last ride. Well, you know, it's been a wonderful year and a half, almost 2 years of owning this Goldwing. It was quite the journey to learn how to restore a very complex motorcycle. In hindsight, I probably should have started with something a little simpler, but hey, I've always lived by the adage, go big or go home. So I just wanted to take her out for a final little ride just around the neighborhood before the new owner comes to pick her up. She's a great motorcycle. Not perfect because there's still a few little things to do here and there, but I believe that I priced it quite competitively. Ended up selling the trailer separately to someone. Looks like we might get some rain today, and that figures because I washed my other motorcycle and washed my car, the double whammy. So this baby will be leaving my care with 248,736 kilometers. Jokingly, I said to my friends, you know, it's now officially through the break-in period. Now the fun begins. I would have liked to have kept it, but as you know, I've got the motorcycle restoration bug. And my son and I, Justin, we have a new project bike, a 1971 Yamaha RT1 360 Enduro. So it's a kickstart and a two-stroke, and that's going to be a project bike for he and I to work on this fall and through the winter. So there will be many upcoming videos with that. So keep your eye open for those, and of course, having two cars and three motorcycles, it was a no-go from my wife. Not to pick on her, rightly so. Don't need three motorcycles. Especially when the one I ride the most is the Super T. And this one essentially only gets ridden when my wife and I go out for a ride, which she's not so much interested in anymore. So we'll let this go for now. And who knows? Another Goldwing may end up in our garage sometime in the future. You can never say never. I think if I did get another one, it would definitely be a GL 1800, and probably somewhere between the year 2013 and 2017. As much as I do like the design of the new Goldwings, I prefer the extra weight of the last generation, the extra cargo capacity in the trunk and the saddlebags, more so than the new ones. A little more passenger accommodation. So, until our next video, remember, keep that right hand cranked, the rubber side down. And if you like our videos, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when we have new videos out. And like the video if you do like it. It really does help the channel. We will see you in the next video.